Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a quick weave using Empire Hair. I love doing quick weaves with beauty supply store hair. That's why I started off with my quick weaves. So I brought it back today. I actually got color hair as well. I never used Empire before. I did want to try them. And why not try color while we try them for the first time as well. So of course, before starting your quick weave, you need a mold down. If you need a detailed tutorial, I will have it linked below. But this video is more so focused on the actual style and the hair. So for my mold down, I just use Morning Glory and a little bit of hairspray or wig spray to keep everything pretty locked in tight. This is the hair that I'm using. I have 3 packs of 14-inch and 3 different colors. Of course, the colors are listed down below in my description. Normal glue that I'm using here. So starting off for my install, I did use the lightest color first. I was a little bit scared of the color choices because I have black hair. So I did the lightest color first and layered the colors, like each color one at a time, going lightest to darkest. And it came out super cute. I love the way the colors kind of flowed with my hair. But anyways, I am just going to bring the tracks up in a U shape all the way up until I get about the crown of my head. I did lay the tracks a little bit differently than I have before as far as a quick weave goes. And just some tips for a quick weave: make sure that you pull your tracks really tight around. So like I'm doing right now, I'm holding my track on one side and I really pull across my head. That kind of helps the install look a little more flat. So this is what I meant by I kind of laid my tracks a little differently. Typically, I don't do this with a flip over, but I wanted a heavier side without having such a heavy flip. So I decided to lay my tracks like I was doing a side part, just a little bit here. I think I only laid like a couple of tracks this way. We'll see it here in just a minute, but I just wanted a heavier side without that larger flip at the top of my head. And I did it on the other side as well. I don't know, I kind of wanted, sometimes with the quick weaves, the flow of it can be a little weird. I don't know how to really explain it, but I wanted more like less flip, kind of like more of a natural type of look instead of that large flip at the top. But anyway, this is how it looks with 1 full pack installed. I think this is actually 1.5. I did cut a little bit while I'm going through. I always do that. It just makes it easier once you're finished. We are at like a little over the crown of my head. This is how I actually did the flip over portion. When you get to the crown of your head, of course, you're not going to go the U shape. You want to start laying straight across. But this is the part that kind of makes your install the flip over. So you start laying the tracks like straight across as I'm doing here. But like I said, I did it a little differently. So instead of doing that all the way across, I decided to lay this track here just flat down, so that portion of my hair would lay flat. I wanted it to be a flip over, but I wanted it to kind of look like a side part more so that when I do flip it over, it looks a little more flat. So I did 1 track like that. And behind this track, I'm going to lay the hair normal like you would for a flip over. So you're going to go straight across the opposite direction that you want your flip to be. But I'm going up my head. It's going to meet in the middle there, and I'm going to flip the hair so it has the hump. But that little track that I left in the front that is laying back will kind of help me to not have such a flip right in the front there. I think it makes it lay just a little flatter than it typically would. I was really trying something new and I honestly liked it. So this is what I meant. So I still have the flip, but when I take my natural hair out, my natural hair doesn't have to also like do that major flip. It kind of just lays flat to the back. Hopefully that made sense. If not, just watch the video. Hopefully that makes more sense than what I'm saying. But anyways, of course, with the style, I love to cut my hair. I love layers. So I did just that. And now I'm just going to style. So since the hair is, I started off with 14 inches. I did layer it as well. It's a little on the shorter side. When I have shorter hair, I always opt to do my curls with the flat irons. They last so much longer, but that is only on like shoulder length hair. Any longer than this, the flat irons are not a good option for the curls. It's just way harder to do so. But like a review on the hair, I think this hair held up really, really well. I honestly would definitely get it again. I had no issues at all. I did curl my hair. I don't believe I used like the highest setting. I honestly don't think I did, but these flat irons get really hot. I did have the temperature up pretty hot, but not, of course, all the way. But yeah, my curls lasted days. I did not have to continuously re-curl my hair, but that is due to the flat iron as well. I feel like if I would have used a like a barrel curler, it may have dropped the curls. But something about the flat iron just allows your curls to last super long, and they did. I didn't have any issues. The hair was not tangly. But I do put my hair up at night as well. I do not sleep on my hair. I definitely would not sleep on beauty supply store hair. But I pin curl at night or wand curl. And I definitely sleep with a bonnet or satin scarf. So hair lasted. I only kept it in like a week and a half. But no issues at all. We'll definitely be using this hair again when I just want something quick. And I will mention, I actually went to the store and purchased this hair. But it is cheaper on Amazon than it is in the store, which I was really surprised. But I also noticed hair in the beauty supply store that I used to buy like years ago. They either don't carry anymore or it's a lot higher than it used to be, is all I'll say. But it is on Amazon, available to purchase and cheaper. So definitely check them out. I'll put the links down below as well. But now I'm just going to continue to style and cut my hair. I really enjoy this part. It's kind of just like a freestyle type of thing. I never curl my hair in any type of pattern, especially when I'm doing curls like this. I kind of just freestyle it and curl my hair all around as I see fit. And it always comes out just looking very large, bouncy, and beautiful. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you want more of a detailed kind of quick weave tutorial, I will have that down below. This one is not very detailed at all. I really just wanted to review the hair in style, but really enjoyed this. Would definitely recommend. If you have not tried Empire, I think I want to try next time like a red and blonde type of look, kind of like Keisha Cole-esque type of look, but stay tuned for that. But anyways, again, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think down below, and I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.